let's see. So far, was specific note direction. You can see that pretty much the whole compensation price is ranging with this range very low and very high. So far, price is currently retesting very low. And the question is, do we have enough volume to break below that? And if we do, then it's high probability that we will see continuation on our side. So more likely, I will be looking for sales below this weekly or daily pivot point 50,535. And let's see, Nasdaq. I mean, last couple of days, it looks like Nasdaq and US 30 are pointing in the opposite directions, which means we have a negative correlation. There's no more positive correlation anymore, even on indices. Whenever you see price of US 30, it was yesterday in the case when if US 30 is going down, Nasdaq is going up and opposite. So far we have created this resistance. You can really see probably there will be good buying opportunity in the next 5 minutes, I believe, if we manage to see breakout above this resistance. So probably I will be looking for longs above this area. Buys above. And I will be looking for sales below here because then we have a clean traffic on the left side with a little bit more volatility and it's high probability. Once when we see a breakout below 29,977, it will see continuation to the downside. Sell below. And I will put sell limit. For buy limit, probably I will be waiting, but I will put sell limit here 29,977 on Nasdaq. Okay, sell stop. Actually, sell stop will be below this lows. In my price, that is 29,985 with stop loss. Stop loss above those highs, which is around 30,043. So it should look like this. Sells below here, shorts. Sells below here. Stop loss is, I think, somewhere around here. And my target could be easily this POC or point of control. In this case, we have a 1.4 risk reward, which is probably okay. And if I see a little bit more volatility, probably I will be moving my TP even lower. Potentially, we can retest 29,817. This very, very low. On the other hand, let's take a look. US 30 probably sells below here. 50,531. CVD showing a little bit more bearish, but okay, price is already falling down. Should I go into sales immediately? Yeah, I enter sales. Shorts, oh damn. Oh, nice. Okay. 70 points. $80 points. Yeah, my sales is pretty much from here. Okay, I'm closing my position. Hey, I didn't even manage to write that down. The group. Okay. That was like 80 points, I believe. 87, 88. Let me see. Dow Jones sells 50,544, 50,456. That's like almost 88 pips, 88 points, something like that. The price is still going down. Wow. And yeah, buys above. I don't think I will go with the buys right now on Nasdaq. Eventually, I can go with the sells once when I see breakout below the lows. But that was really, really fast. That was really, really fast. Maybe I should leave my runner, but it is what it is. Hello, program, welcome. Wow, that was really, really fast. I mean, zero drawdown, price just went down. Amazing. Now we will wait to see what will happen. A lot of bearish momentum in the CVD. Price still falling down. I could eventually look for shorts on Nasdaq as well. And just like I told you before there's high probability that these two pairs will move in opposite directions. You can clearly see Nasdaq went up and Dow Jones went down yesterday, which is the same. And now we can see opposite directions. Now the Nasdaq could go down. We have for the moment pretty strong rejection. But the best case scenario would be wait for the current 5-minute candle closure, then decide what to do. This really fast entry and really fast taking profit. That was literally like a few seconds. Problem is I already had sales on Nasdaq today and I lost, and pretty much with this win on Dow Jones for US 30, I'm currently pretty much on break even. So yeah, next trade would be probably, and I have still sell limit from this area. I'm waiting for sells below. Maybe now my stop loss should be a little bit bigger, but let's wait. I have a sell stop right here. And let's see if price could break the low and continue to go down. And probably I am in buys, I'm in sells. I am in sells of Nasdaq. Currently 17 points up. Stop loss 30,043. Oh, huge rejection, look at this. With the more volume you could make some money. And now we are having pretty strong rejection with CSVD. The same price move. So since US 30 is going up, let's say there's high probability that Nasdaq could go down. I need maybe like 40-50 points on Nasdaq and that's it. For the moment, 22.20. $18. If price managed to go down with this POC, that would be really good profit. And yeah, tomorrow I still have one day 30 points. Maybe after 40, 50 I could actually move my stop loss to break even. Points profit. $20 profit. Now again, a few points. There's probability that I could end up now in drawdown a little bit. We have pretty decent rejection here from the London session high, so yeah, maybe I should consider taking some profits around this area because we have enough huge rejection. Previous candle had pretty strong bearish momentum, and hopefully this bearish momentum will continue. 27.25. Now my profit is changing really fast. I mean, pretty much on this session moving profile, there's a lot of unclear stuff here. You can see pretty much every couple pips there's a new strong volume, potential rejection zone. $30 points profit, and again around 25. Okay, US30 still going up. Yeah, the longer I'm in this position, the less confident I am, because price is learning not going for the moment. That's why I would like to see breakout of this support right here, as you can see on the left side. If I can see closure below this area in the next 1.5 minutes, that would be very good. And then I could expect potentially the price will continue to go down. There's this POC or initially very, very low, which is sitting around 29,820. Around 30 pips profits. Let's go to 35 and 40. If I probably after 40, I will be moving my stop loss to break even, just because that will be some area for breakout where we could eventually see further increase in volume and continuation to the downside. As you can clearly see, CVD is currently confirming that. So there is still high probability the price might continue to go down. So first step would be 40 pips, then 50. Okay, 40 is here. Can we do 50 now? Price is going, stop loss is going on the break even. I'm closing my full position. I just closed my full position. Profit was a little bit bigger, but then price went slightly up, but it is what it is. For today, I made some money. That's good. 88 pips on down, and here we have like 50 pips, almost 50. 45, let's say. And price still could continue to go lower. Let me share my trades. And so on. Amazing. So there's for the moment a lot of wicks on US 30 here, as you can see. So I'm not really sure where the price will go. I still believe the price could go slightly lower, at least fill the week and then continue to go higher. Nasdaq looks really good for potential continuation, but I already closed my position. But I mean, not bad for this month. This month, I mean, it's not like crazy, but yeah, the first couple of days were pretty bad for me this May. And yeah, over the last probably week and a half, I have managed to make a little bit more, and from negative I'm now in positive, and I will still make some money for May. But still, I mean, we still have tomorrow, which is Friday, and maybe tomorrow I could make a little bit more, and then I could finish the month with a solid profit, nothing crazy. But still, yeah, strong rejection from US 30. Take gold. Yeah, gold looks crazy, really hard to trade. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's been said. Thank you for being here, and see you tomorrow at the same time.